I have a secret room that Grandpa never knew about. Until today. Watch what happens. Every house has its stories, and our house has one very special story. The story of my secret room.
This door is always locked. I asked Grandma about it before. She always says it is just storage. Grandma, what is really behind this door? Can I please see it?
Oh, that door. It is nothing special. Just old boxes and...
Old boxes. She says old boxes. But I hear sounds from that room sometimes. A humming sound. Old boxes do not hum. Oh, a key on the counter. Could this be? Could this be the key to the secret room? I am going to open the door. I am a little nervous. What if Grandma gets angry? What will I find inside? Let us find out. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? This is not old boxes and clothes. There are plants everywhere, and a sewing machine, and so many beautiful colors. It is like a little paradise in here.
Well,
You found it then.
Grandma, how long has this room been here? This is amazing. Why did you never show me this?
I made this room 3 years ago. It is my quiet place, my happy place. Every woman needs a place that is just her own. Do you understand?
Understand, you needed your own space, a place to think and create. I am sorry I never knew. I am glad you have this beautiful place.
I sew here, I read here, I think here. Sometimes I just sit and listen to the birds outside. I made this for you. Each piece of fabric is from something special. Your old shirts,
My old dresses.
the children's baby clothes.
Grandma, this is the most beautiful thing anyone has ever made for me.
Thank you. I did not know you were making this.
I did not know at all. I promise I will never disturb this room. This is your space.
But can I visit sometimes, just to sit with you for a little? Today's vocabulary: secret room, locked door, creative space, sewing machine, quilt, piece.
Today's key phrases.
Ready? I have a secret. Nobody knew about it. What is really behind this door? Today's lesson: everyone needs a quiet place that belongs to them, a place to be creative, a place to feel peaceful. Now say these with me right now. I have a secret. Nobody knew about it. It is like a little paradise. Every woman needs her own space. Say them with me. Let us go.
Wait a moment. This door here. This door is also always locked.
Grandma, is there another secret room I do not know about?
Maybe there is. Maybe there is not. If you want to find out, come back tomorrow. We have another story waiting just for you. Subscribe to Nana English Daily.
A new English story every single day. We will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.